start. Like in previous video, you have learnt about the shortcut. So we will open a new Excel file while using a shortcut Control plus N. So here our new workbook will open and we will start. See our first cell. We will start with A1 cell. Here in a name bar, the name of a cell is appearing. I'll write monthly budget. You can copy the same data to practice in your Excel, or you can make your own data. So now I'll give the labels. This is how you can enter a text in your Excel file. Like I'll label it bills if I am preparing a monthly budget, bills. Now I'll enter various bills. You can have more bills or you can enter any other bills. Like first I'll put rent, then food, electricity, water, gas, etc. So these are some bills, and now after that I'll put total. Like I want total of all the bills. So these were the text we have entered in our rows. Now we will label our columns. So bills are for monthly basis. I'll put the name of each month, like I am putting January. You can write the complete name or you can keep it in a shortcut. I'll press the tab button to move the next cell. I'll put now February, March, April. I'll keep it only till April just to keep it simple and sorted, but you can make till the month of December. So this is how you enter text in a Excel file. Now I'll show you how you can enter a numeric digits. So I'm saying it again and again, practice is more important. You can pause the video and keep your laptop aside or desktop and practice it with the same values, or you can change your data according to your choice. So now I'll put, like for January I paid the rent 3,500. For food we spent 2,000. Electricity bill we spent 4,000. Water bill 1,500. Any of the values you can put. For gas we spent 2,000. Like in same February, rent 3,500. Food we spent more, like 2,700. Electricity 4,500. Water bill 1,800. Gas bill 2,600. Like I'll put all these numeric values. I'm keeping rent same. And now I'll want the total of each bill for every month, so I'll put total here also. So this is your basic worksheet. This is how you enter a text and a numeric values in your Excel sheet. So you must be noticing something unique. It is still a short thing or a simple thing for you, but it has a lot of big impact on your Excel sheet. So this we will discuss in our next video. Hope you all liked the video. I'm Diksha. Please like, share and subscribe our channel and press the bell icon to get the notification of the new video.